duct tape. The All-American Fix-It-All. Done a good job on that fan. Too bad it can't do something on stupid. That fan looking good. Get tired of that fan falling over. Good old duct tape and scrap wood. Got her made. Look at that. Shit, I could go in business doing that. Bring on me your crap. I got plenty of tape. I'll fix your stuff. Oh yeah. Good job. Check that fan out, buddy. I was going to junk that fan. See here, you want this junk fan? It won't stand up. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll make it stand up. Hell yeah. Okay. Enough of that.